Alright guys, listen, today we've got some really cool sneakers to check out. I honestly cannot wait to get into these. I've been waiting, I've been stacking up the boxes, just waiting to do this video. So like I said, these boxes have been stacking up. So I'm gonna leave them down here and we're gonna go one by one and check out these sneakers. So getting straight into it, this first one, hopefully you guys have already seen. Hopefully you guys are not sleeping on my last video. Of course, that was the Yeezy review, but it is in this box. I did wanna kind of, unbox it. It just came in yesterday, and we've got a Yeezy 700 box. So obviously if you guys did watch the review, you know what pair of sneakers this is: the Yeezy MNVN and the Honey Flux colorway. So listen, to be fair, there is actually a decent amount of people that like this colorway. I actually think that it's definitely one of the better colorways. It's pretty strong, a lot stronger than I originally anticipated it was going to be. I originally thought it was going to be super bright, which I don't think I would have liked. It's a lot deeper and a lot nicer. I believe this is still available at many different places, so if you did want it, you can go and pick it up. You can go and check out the review, or maybe you already have a pair yourself, but yeah, just wanted to briefly show you this before we get into the actual dope stuff. Alright, so this one, I believe I know what it is. I really need to get a knife. It is a pair of Yeezy Slides, and this was kind of, I thought, the best time to buy because the prices were relatively low. When it comes to slides, sometimes the prices can get out of hand. This is the Soot colorway, the very dark soot colorway. Now I believe that I've had the core colorway and the earth brown, so I think this is the first time I've had soot. These shades are very similar to each other, but this is definitely a much darker color. Now one of the reasons I wanted to get this, amongst obviously just wanting this darker shade of a Yeezy Slide, was to kind of do some comparisons between this green glow colorway and this soot colorway, because a lot of people are having a lot of sizing issues and maybe material issues as well. And I can say straight off the bat, there is a different feel to both of these slides. Like, this material feels very slightly different to this one. Now I know that they changed the material on the Yeezy Slide as they were producing different colorways. Feels like it has a little bit more of a matte coating to it, whereas this one feels a little bit more kind of smooth in a way. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm gonna have to test out the whole sizing aspect of these slides, what is different about it, if it is different, if they're all the same. I know a lot of people have had inconsistencies when it comes to the Yeezy Slide in terms of sizing. Just from colorway to colorway, they've felt that it's been different and that they've had to go an extra half size up or something. So the Soot colorway, definitely one of my favorite. This one, and I think the Pure is another one that I really like. Either way, let me know if you've managed to get a pair of Yeezy Slides recently. If you managed to hit for retail, I'm still yet to get one for retail. I've just been taking L's left, right, and center. Same thing with the foam runners, but yeah, my latest pickup is going to the back. All right, so we got a Nike sneakers hit. Actually, this is not Nike sneakers, this is the Nike app, but it's still a pretty incredible achievement if you manage to get a pair of sneakers from either of those freaking apps. Pull out the box, the Dunk Low, and this is the Bordeaux colorway. Now listen, I don't know about you guys, but this Bordeaux colorway is something that I was very highly anticipating, and I managed to hit for retail, and that's amazing. These look so clean in person. If you're a fan of maroon, if you're a fan of that Bordeaux color that was on like the PSG Jordan 4s and stuff like that, this color mixed with the white is so clean, and I think this is definitely going to be an awesome kind of fall sneaker. In terms of a US release, I'm not too sure when you guys are going to get these. If you do like them though, I would, stay tuned to the channel. I'll let you guys know whether these do crop up at any point. Also, let me know if you guys want to see a review or something. I don't know. I've done a lot of Dunk Low reviews, so I don't even know if you guys want to see any more of those, but this is definitely a solid colorway. Right, we got a huge Adidas box, a huge Yeezy box, one of the biggest Yeezy boxes you can get. So let me slide these open and show you which colorway this is. This is the super clean oil colorway. This is probably my favorite colorway of the Desert Boot. This oil, this darker brown looks so clean. I remember getting the taupe one, or whatever that one was called, with the blue midsole. That one, I felt like it was really hard to wear. Like, the boot in general just doesn't fit my style that much. However, I'm really gonna make a push for it this time. I'm gonna try it out with a bunch of different outfits, see if I can work it into my rotation. I did go a full size up for anybody who is wondering. The sizing on these is pretty crazy. They fit super tight, probably one of the tightest Yeezy models that are out. But I do have another colorway to show you guys, so I'm gonna set these off to the back and show you those. And again, another huge Adidas box, another desert boot. This one is the lighter colorway that released alongside that oil one. You know what, actually now having these in hand, I'm really not sure which one I like more. Like, this is a really nice colorway. You are actually wearing these to really make use of an actual boot. I don't know, maybe going on a hike or going on a walk with some really crazy terrain where there's a lot of mud and rocks, then maybe you want that oil colorway. However, just in terms of color, subjectively, this is a super nice one. It's kind of perfect time for fall. I feel like this is a perfect sneaker for the fall time, or a perfect boot for the fall time. And you know what, that gets me thinking actually, guys. I wanted your help, so listen up, listen. I need your help, guys. Go and comment down below your favorite or your best fall sneakers for 2021. Now, it can be upcoming releases, it can be stuff that's released this year, but I wanted to make a top 15 fall sneaker video, and I wanted your guys' input for a change. I wanted to ask you, see what you guys think. Yeah, let me know what you think of these. Let me know if you managed to grab a pair, and let's get into the last one. All right, this is actually a Nike sneakers hit. I remember being pretty excited about this one because I've heard a lot of people talk about this sneaker in very high regard. I'm sure a lot of you guys like this one as well. So let me pull these out and show you what we're working with. So it is the Nike and Undefeated, and they're doing this Dunk versus Air Force One. The Undefeated and Nike Air Force One. Holy, these are nice. Oh my lord, I was not expecting to like these this much. They are incredibly nice. Like, man, the materials as well for the price. These were 115, which I've seen a lot worse. From an Air Force One, I've seen a lot worse for that price tag. That, my friends, is something you don't find very often on an Air Force One, and trust me, that feels super buttery and soft in hand. That is pretty much the only leather on here. Oh yeah, that and the tongue is also leather. The suede feels even better. Super nappy, a really nice color. And then you've got some kind of canvas material for the medial and lateral. I don't even think that they're going for that much on the secondary market, so if you wanted to pick a pair of these up, I would definitely suggest doing so. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. The incredible amount of materials that they put on here and made them feel super premium. This is a nice Air Force One, guys, and I'm super happy with it. But that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Let me know what you think of the sneakers we took a look at today. Don't forget about the fall video. Let me know your fall sneakers down in the comment section. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one, of course. But until then,